everyone. Welcome.
Thank you.
Who's excited? नाही म्हणजे एक्सायटेड असायलाच पाहिजे कारण आज आपण एका प्रचंड टॅलेंटेड आर्टिस्टची फक्त मुलाखत नाही तर एका मल्टी अवॉर्ड विनिंग ऍक्टर, डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्युसर अजून काय बऱ्याच गोष्टी एडिटर यस अशा कॅलिबरच्या सेलिब्रिटी बरोबर मस्त गप्पा मारणार. सो just to give you guys an idea of हे कसं कंडक्ट केलं जाईल. आय एम शुअर तुम्ही ऑलरेडी काही मीट अँड ग्रीट्स अटेंड केल्या आहेत पण आधी मी काही प्रश्न विचारेन त्यानंतर तुम्हाला द फ्लोर विल बी ओपन फॉर यू टू आस्क क्वेश्चन्स आणि मग शेवटी ऑन द फर्स्ट फ्लोर वी विल हॅव अ फोटो सेशन
On the first floor.
Okay. So चला तर मग चालू करूया.
Yes.
ओके मी आधीच टाळ्या वाजवल्या. मी म्हणणार होते जॉईन मी दी मराठी सिनेमातले पॉवर हाऊस.
अरे बापरे.
नाही खरंच एवढ्या सगळ्या गोष्टी करता तुम्ही तर आदिनाथ कोठारे सर.
Let's keep it very casual and very informal.
So, are you enjoying Napa Film Festival?
Absolutely. It's my first time in the US, so I
Oh,
am
okay.
exploring it as
Yeah.
it comes.
Enjoying it.
Enjoying it also.
Yeah. So, of course, आम्ही तर खूपच एक्सायटेड आहोतच कारण आम्हाला तुमच्याकडनं तुमच्या फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीमधले एक्सपिरियन्सेस आणि जर्नीबद्दल ऐकायला उत्सुकता आहे. पहिले म्हणजे ऑफकोर्स कंग्रॅच्युलेशन्स ऑन द सक्सेस ऑफ पाणी.
Thank you.
ऑफकोर्स तुम्हाला माहितीच असेल पण पाणी वन सो मेनी अवॉर्ड्स रिसेंटली आणि पण तुमच्याकडनं ऐकायला आवडेल मला पाणी सगळ्या अवॉर्ड्स होतं सांगा.
The greatest award was the audience reactions that we've got and the theatrical response that we got last year. It released on 18th October in the theaters. So it's been a very long journey for me with Pani because firsts are always special. They are also very challenging also because to set up a film as a director, as a debutant director, and also as an actor was a big challenge. Right from conceiving the project to developing the script, finding a producer, to somebody to invest in the project, and then planning the release of the film. In that मध्ये लॉकडाऊन येऊन गेला आणि त्यानंतर लॉकडाऊन नंतर सगळी गणितं बदललेली. ऑडियन्स हॅड चेंज, द माइंडसेट हॅड चेंज, अटेन्शन स्पॅन हॅड चेंज. सो देन अगेन re-editing the film after that and then finally releasing it. It was almost a 10-year journey for me. Right from 2016 to 2024.
Right. And I think जी गोष्ट मला आपण त्या दिवशी बोललो होतो तेव्हा आय थिंक आय बीन थिंकिंग अबाउट इट एव्हरी डे सिन्स देन की सरांनी ती फिल्म स्वतः एडिट केली आणि आय वॉज सो माइंड ब्लोन कारण हे एवढं अवघड काम आहे तर हाऊ डिड यू गेट इन एडिटिंग?
No, actually that's because of my OCD.
So जे कोणी OCD असेल editing might be your thing. And how was it working with such a big banner?
Oh, it was amazing. In fact, Priyanka Chopra is my producer and one of the most hardworking persons I've come across in my life. And she was shooting for Quantico that time over here, and she used to give her notes on the script. Then काहीतरी शूट आठवून ती मुंबईला आली. She sat with me on the edit of a Marathi film for. So it's commendable the way that woman manages her time. There's a reason why she's where she is. I think.
Yeah, that's amazing. आणि आता तुम्ही ऍक्टिंग आणि डिरेक्टिंग दोन्ही केली but just generally speaking we all know की you cannot be in two places at once, right? तर ते कसं how does one pull that off?
I had a good team with me.
Okay.
I had a good pre-production done. It was not easy, obviously, but I made sure that when I'm in front of the camera, I had somebody behind the camera who would, could judge my performance.
Okay.
If I was there behind.
Trustworthy.
Yeah, somebody who. So my writer, who's Nitin Dixit.
Okay.
I took him as a creative director also with me.
Okay.
so that when I'm in front of the camera,
Mhm.
I could distribute the workload.
आणि ओके सो I'll shift gears a little bit.
Yeah.
आणि कारण I'm sure भरपूर प्रश्न असतील
Please,
सो अर्थात टॅलेंट तर तुमच्या रक्तातच आहे
Right.
राईट लहानपणापासून तुम्ही काम करत आहात तर can we hear a little bit about how was it working as a child artist? How was it working with with your father?
As a child artist, I was a child, yeah. So तेव्हा काय फार भान नसतं आपल्याला आपण काय करतोय, बागडत असतो आपण तिकडे. So I was literally doing what my father was telling me to do that point. I remember एक scene at माझा चकुला मधला जिथे it was a serious scene and I was fooling around on the set, or I was not kind of getting in that mood. And my all our shootings are like a family outing.
Okay.
Always have been. So right from Aji Azoba to सगळे आम्ही set वरती असायचो. It used to be like all my summer vacations I spent on my father's sets. So I literally grew up in Shalini Studio.
Okay.
Shalini Studio कोल्हापूर मधला जो हेरिटेज स्टुडिओ होता, जयप्रभा स्टुडिओ, तिकडे किंवा मग वडिलांबरोबर एडिटिंगला जाणं. And that too, he used to edit on Stenbeck that time, which was analog format.
ते पण editing.
ते सगळं मी नकळत माझी now when I look back, I'm like, wow, I got to see all this. And at that time we didn't value it, or I didn't understand the value of it. But now when I look back, when I'm making my films, I understand things. It comes to me quite naturally that the processes and everything. So I'm being quite fortunate that way, where I got to witness that era also, where I could see it from such close quarters, the analog days. But coming back to the point, छकुलाच्या वेळेस मी एक शॉट चालू होता. निवेदिता माझी आई माझ्यावरती चिडलेली असते आणि ती मला काहीतरी ओरडते आणि मी रडतो आणि बाहेर निघून जातो. सो दॅट वॉज नॉट हॅपनिंग बिकॉज आय वॉज नॉट इन द मूड. अँड माय फादर स्कोल्डेड मी ऑन दॅट, सगळ्यांसमोर. आणि मी तिथेच रडायला लागलो. आणि he rolled the camera. And then Jenma, my Aji got extremely upset. Like, how she shouted at my father. Like Jenma was, my grandmother was like a dawn. She was just protect. She was the one who pampered me a lot. The rest, mom and dad have been very strict with me for all good, right reasons. But dad and Jenma was like, "Atina, तो सगळ्यांसमोर तो सगळं." She's very cute. But असं सगळे दिवस होते. Really, I remember I won the state award for best child actor that time. आणि ते पण मला, so we all sitting तिकडे लाईन मध्ये state awards मध्ये ऑडियन्स मध्ये, and I just had to, like mom had told me, if you win, आधी स्टेजवर जाऊन पाया पडायचा. आणि so माझ्या डोक्यात ते सगळं टेन्शन होतं की what is the protocol I have to follow. So yeah, those were
fun times.
Amazing days.
Yeah. Amazing. Okay, so when now you've worked in many different mediums, right? You've worked in Bollywood, Marathi, OTT. Can you tell us ki kai similarities, differences? What do you find to be similarities? What do you find to be differences in the different platforms?
असं काही फार फरक नाही आहे, टू बी ऑनेस्ट. सगळं सेमच आहे. फक्त अर्थात बिकॉज द ऑडियन्स बेस इज बिगर ना फॉर हिंदी और ऑल दीज लँग्वेजेस. So hence the budgets are big, because the audience market is big. So त्याच्यामुळे आपल्या मराठीच्या सेटवरती जे काही ठराविक दिवस आपण थोडं मोठ्या स्केलला जे शूट करतो ते हिंदीत दररोज असतं. एवढाच फरक आहे. When it comes to passion, talent, the people doing it today, most of the people successful in the Hindi industry or who are driving the Hindi industry are Marathi technicians. So Lakshman Uttekar also, many other actors. Ritesh also is doing a great job. So I don't think there's any difference when it comes to approach, passion. The only difference is the scale and the output. आउटपुट पण सेमच झालं. मराठीमध्ये पण आपल्याला In fact, I would say Marathi filmmakers are far smarter than far trained to be much smarter than their Hindi counterparts, because they have to deliver the same or even better output in lesser budgets, in lesser time constraints. So that makes us. So that's why today, if you go to the studios, they want to work with regional talent because they know how to optimize the resources and the budgets and yet deliver a great output.
Yeah, absolutely.
You can see now Aditya Sarpodarni Munja film ji keli. The scale of it was, but the outcome is tremendous. Like he's made it in his restricted budgets, but it has created history. Even Sayyara, that film that is right now creating havoc in the box office, made in 6 crores, 6 or 7 crores, and it's doing business. It's going to do a lifetime of around 300 crores. They're saying. So you can imagine the scale of ROI that's happening. So. But Bollywood, as such, थोड़े inflated है थोड़ा, because we spend most of the money is spent on perception rather than actual
Content.
actual creation.
Interesting. Okay. मग आता गोइंग बॅक टू क्रिएशन, जेव्हा तुम्ही एका स्टोरी बद्दल विचार करता की आता ही स्टोरी करायची, से की ती स्टोरी लाईक पाणी इज अबाउट समथिंग रिअल, राईट? तर एक काहीतरी बॅलन्स ठेवायला लागत असेल, राईट? की देर इज अ रिअल पर्सन हुज लाईफ युअर बेसिंग दिस ऑन, पण ऑडियन्स एंगेजमेंटसाठी काही गोष्टी ट्विक करायला लागत असतील, राईट? तर तो बॅलन्स कसा मेंटेन करता, कसं ठरवता की काय आणि किती करायचं आहे?
असं काही ठरवता नाही येत. म्हणजे I had a lot of fights with my writer on that.
Yeah.
But it's sometimes. So I remember Nitin always asking me, Adinath, what kind of film you want to? What is the story that you want to tell? So I told him I want to let the story tell us what kind of story needs to be told. It's to be my stand. Let the original story dictate to us how it needs to be told. I think that's more organic. Of course, sometimes you have to dramatize. You have to exaggerate, you have to entertain the audience, you need to hold the audience. So sometimes you need to join the dots in such a way that sometimes it gets dramatized. But Pani, the film, the script, the story is, I think, 75 to 80% of what actually happened.
Wow, yeah, that's incredible. Yeah. ठीक आहे, मी खूप टेक्निकल प्रश्न आता विचारले आहेत, आय सेव्ह सम फॉर द ऑडियन्स, पण त्याआधी एक रॅपिड फायर राऊंड करूया.
Okay.
बरं का? ओके, दिस इज नॉट गोना बी सुपर वर्क रिलेटेड.
Okay.
ओके, सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये नसता तर काय करिअर आवडलं असतं करायला?
म्हणजे नॉट इवन फोटोग्राफी.
नाही म्हणजे मी म्हणजे नाही.
I would have been a chef.
Oh,
But the closest thing that comes to filmmaking is cooking.
क्या बात है.
Lovely. आणि आता फिल्म इंडस्ट्रीच्या बाहेर काय हॉबीज आहेत?
Film industry च्या बाहेर traveling.
ट्रॅव्हलिंग. ओके.
I love to travel. I'm a foodie.
ओके.
I love to go to the different places and try the local cuisines over there.
ओके. Then on the topic of food, गोड का तिखट?
Good.
गोड.
If I was not an actor, I would have been fat.
आणि मग कम्फर्ट फूड काय आहे?
Comfort food. अर्थात घरचं आईच्या हातचं जेवण.
Okay.
That is comfort food. But otherwise, when I'm traveling, I love continental. I love very European kind of, I can't specify because of social media.
Okay. Book version of a story or movie version of a story?
For what?
Just anything. Like for example, Harry Potter. Book
So
version.
like for example, Godfather, the book and the film. Like I prefer the film.
Okay.
Though the book is a great read, but even Coppola has said that, I think.
Okay.
Yeah, but I don't know. It depends, yeah. But I think Lord of the Rings is one of those few books or a few cases where the film was justified. The film justified the book.
Okay.
I think Peter Jackson.
ओके. नाईस. ओके, शेवटचा प्रश्न. अमेरिकेतली एक गोष्ट that you wish you could take back with you to India?
Audience.
आम्ही तर आहोतच. Give me another answer.
No, I think हा जो ऑडियन्स बेस आहे अमेरिकेतला हा खूपच स्पेशल आहे अँड यू गाईज आर द वे यू गाईज लव्ह अँड मराठी सिनेमा अँड द वे यू आर पॅशनेट अबाउट आवर इंडस्ट्री इट्स सो इट इज बेसिकली आय वॉज जस्ट टेलिंग गजेंद्र yesterday की मराठी सिनेमाचं कॅपिटल बॉक्स ऑफिसचं कॅपिटल इज सिटी प्राईड कोथरूड पुणे विवियाना मॉल ठाणे these are like Lords and Oval stadiums of Marathi cinema, and the audience that we meet internationally, and especially in America or in the UK, they are City Pride Kothur, Viviana Mall into X, and an extension, yeah. So it's quite amazing to meet such a huge number of that section of the audience who are the driving force of the Marathi entertainment industry today, I feel.
Wonderful. You
Yeah.
guys, we rock.
Which, it's a thank you to all of you.
So I know audience from the maybe I'll take the first question.
Go ahead.
So first of all, thank you for sharing this childhood memories, amazing career. But as you said, तुमची ही पहिली ट्रिप आहे अमेरिकेतली,
हा.
राईट? तर मला हे आम्ही इथे आहोत, आम्हाला खरंच आवडतं आणि नाफा इज डन अ फंटॅस्टिक जॉब. तर तुमच्या काय अपेक्षा होत्या, तुम्ही काय कसं असेल असं वाटलं तुम्हाला की इथे येताना, एस्पेशली सिन्स की ही तुमची पहिली ट्रिप आहे?
असं वाटलं असेल मला इथे आलं म्हणजे what was I expecting?
What was your expectations, right, when you said I'm going there for the first time?
I was expecting not so much glamour and so much royal treatment. But I was yesterday walking the red carpet and I told on camera also, the audience behind the red carpet is looking more glamorous than the stars on the red carpet. But yeah, it was so nice to meet all of you.
Thank you.
Next.
Yeah.
तर मी अशातच तुमचा पाणी चित्रपट पाहिला
Hmm.
आणि म्हणजे दिसून आलं की तुम्ही खूप मेहनत केली आहे त्याच्यामध्ये आणि महत्वाचं म्हणजे मी मराठवाड्याचा आहे, मी परभणीचा आहे आणि हा नांदेडचा
अरे वा.
आहे आणि मला वाटतं तुम्ही नांदेडमध्ये शूटिंग केली
हो,
वगैरे.
केली.
तर ते खूप कनेक्ट झालं आम्हाला.
वा.
आम्ही म्हणजे मी समजा कधी वापस गेलो भारतामध्ये, युजली वन्स इन अ इयर और वन्स इन अ 2 इयर चक्कर असते, मी हमेशा गावाकडे जातो. तर ते कनेक्ट जाणवलं मला त्या मूवीशी. तर मला हे विचारायचं होतं की तुम्ही इतक्या उन्हामध्ये तिथे काम केलं, तर ते ऍक्च्युअली तुम्हाला किती स्ट्रगल करावे लागलं शूटिंगच्या दरम्यान म्हणा किंवा
खूप आणि आम्ही मे महिन्यात शूटिंग केलं होतं. शूटिंग इन 47 degrees and it was crazy. We used to drink 7 to 8 bottles of water in a day and not take a piss. Water used to just evaporate and घसा कोरडा पडायचा आमचा. It was crazy. But amazing effort. Hats off आहे तुम्हाला सगळ्या लोकांना तिकडे.
खूप धन्यवाद तुम्ही मूवी बनवल्याबद्दल, स्पेशली
थँक्यू.
मराठी.
गोष्टच तशी होती.
हो.
आय थिंक मी 2016 मध्ये when I decided I want to let's do something that we originally came here to do, that is tell a story. So I was deciding which subject to choose. तर मी असं ठरवलं की something that you want to tell from the bottom of your heart, always tell that because that reaches out better and further. तर मग मी विचार केला की पाण्याचा विषय खूप जवळचा आहे आपल्या सगळ्यांसाठीच आहे. It's a global relevance topic. So let's research on this. And then I was researching, मला इंटरव्ह्यू सापडला सत्यमेव जयते आमिर खानचा जो शो आहे त्यात वॉटरचा एपिसोड जो आहे त्यात मला एक इंटरव्ह्यू सापडला. तो होता आणि तो एक खूप छोटा असा एक बाईट होती आणि ती होती ते हनुमान केंद्रेची.
Wow.
Where what he spoke, I felt ki wow, this is something very interesting. So then I tried to find his number. मग मी सत्यजित भटकलचा नंबर काढला, who is the creator of that show. Satyajit Bhatkal gave me Hanuman Kendre's number. He was very sweet. But that number was not in service. So I called up Satyajit again ki sir to number हे नहीं है. Adinath, I'm sorry, I don't have any other number. Should know what to do. And, I knew ki Nagdarwadi तो राहत. So I opened Google Maps. I went to police station कुठलं जवळचं आहे. तर नांदेड पोलीस स्टेशनला मी आधी फोन केला. मी सांगितलं तिकडचा नंबर आहे का तुमच्याकडे नागदेवाडीचा. तर बोलले नाही आमच्याकडे नाही, तुम्ही लोह्याला फोन करा. तर मला लोह्याचा नंबर मिळाला. लोह्यावर मला माळापोळचा मिळाला. तिकडून लकीली ही वॉज द सरपंच ऑफ दॅट विलेज व्हेन आय कॉल्ड हिम. And I got his number. I called him. He didn't believe me. He said, तुम्ही मला समोर येऊन भेटा मग तुम्ही विश्वास ठेवेल. So then when I went to नांदेड लोह्याच्या त्या जंक्शनला तो मला भेटला तिकडे हनुमान केंद्रे. And the first thing he did was he gave me a tight hug when he met me. And then he took me inside नागदेवाडी. त्यांनी गाव दाखवलं. ते सगळं कसं आता सुजलाम सुफलाम झालाय. And then he told me what actually he had to go through to get the water in the village and how he almost lost his life trying to do it. Forget wife, he almost lost his life. And I realized that this is definitely a film, yeah. This is cinema in this. Reality is stranger than fiction, boltat tasa hai.
Yeah.
And then I got Nitin Dixit on board. Nitin decided to agree to write for me, and that's how the journey started.
Amazing.
Thank you.
I think, okay, sorry. Who did you pick?
No, sir.
Okay, go ahead.
तुम्ही वेंगसरकरची भूमिका केली.
हा.
तुम्ही क्रिकेट खरंच खेळायचा.
नाही आम्ही ट्रेन केलं. आम्हाला बलविंदर सांधूनी ट्रेन केलं अख्ख्या टीमला. वी ट्रेन फॉर ऑलमोस्ट अ इयर फॉर दॅट फिल्म. इट वॉज आम्ही सगळ्यांचे काही ना काहीतरी इंजुरीज झाले होते. ऑलमोस्ट एव्हरी ऑर्डर पर्सन हॅड अ टेनिस एल्बो, shin muscle. It's difficult, na, that to get into that regime of a sportsman in a span of a year is not. But yeah, but I used to play cricket as a time pass level na college मध्ये असताना, nothing inter college level.
I think
Yeah.
he's gonna.
Just as an actor म्हणून how do you get your creative juices flowing between two projects? की एका project मध्ये वापरलं, you want to do something different, try something new, but what's your inspiration or process? काय movies बघता, literature वाचता, how does that work?
Like in between two projects म्हणजे काय?
म्हणजे going from one movie to the another, if you want to try something new.
I don't know actually. It's just go with the flow. But process depends. It's every process for every project, for every character. The process is different. Nothing is necessarily the same.
Okay.
Depends on the time you have for the prep. Also depends on what is the bandwidth you have, how much time you have for prep, and who is the team. The workshops पण असतात. चंद्रमुखीसाठी आम्ही खूप workshops केले प्रसाद बरोबर. That was a different school for me. Because Prasad is a hardcore theater background. So त्याच्यावर खूप मजा आली because he had that same discipline of theater and he used to do the workshops with us. तर almost 3 months. Lockdown मध्ये आम्ही ते सगळं prep सुरू केलं होतं. So that was a fun process. पाणीसाठी तर I was in the process right from the conceiving of the project. So for me it was a very immersive experience. Then recently, then the different projects have different approaches. Like I think remember City of Dreams, Nagesh Kukunur. He's a very impulsive director. He doesn't do too much of a. He gives good freedom to the artist also. But he knows how much and when to intervene and guide the actor. But it changes. Yes, there's no fixed process for everything. जे हाताला मिळेल ते घेऊन तुम्हाला पुढे जावं लागतं.
I think शेवटचे 1-2 प्रश्न असतील.
As an actor, we have like when you're preparing for a character to get into it, then
Yeah, supportive.
I do. It's like I read some things. Like for Chandramukhi's with Dalodar Lashman, आम्ही काही politicians ची biographies वाचले. पाणीसाठी तर that was a different process. Then Take Care Good Night नावाची एक फिल्म केली होती. It was about a hacker. So the writer director himself is a hacker. गिरीश जोशी. तो स्वतः एक IT wizard आहे तो complete. So just being in his company and just observing him was my workshop.
Okay, we'll do you and then you and then we'll.
Yeah.
So as an actor, do you have something like listening to certain music or smelling a certain perfume? Because I have read a lot about
Yeah, I do
Kaiji
have.
prominent-
Every character
So do you
has
have
a-
something like that you really get into in the character?
Not to get into, like, it's just like, you know, you play around with that. Because, like,
So,
for
like-
example, so Daulatra Deshmane, I was using Ralph Lauren Polo, I think. That
So
was-
did you try
So no,
something?
so Daulatra Deshmane was an 80s character. So 80s मधला असा कुठला perfume होता. So you just see, these things don't help you get into the character.
Right.
They just train your mind to think in a certain way, you know.
Or stay focused?
Or you stay focused, you keep doing that, you know.
Right.
And recently also, when I was prepping for Ramayana, I was reading a lot of mythological stuff. That's it. You read some literature just to get the feel of it.
Right.
Not necessarily you might find something in it, but just try to immerse yourself in whatever you get, whatever is available at that point. Yeah.
You wear a lot of hats, but as a director, what is that you're looking into an actor?
As a director, what I look into in an actor. I think my advantage as a director is that I am an actor, and I've realized it's always a treat. Like even when I work with Prasad, or when I work with my dad, or when I work with Girish Joshi. When you're working with an actor director, it's an advantage because the director knows the language of the actor. He knows how to maneuver the actor because he knows how actor thinks. So that is always there's a nice equation that you find. So that because of me being an actor director, I assume I know how an actor thinks, and I know how much space an actor needs. I know how much interference an actor does not need. Sometimes you want to be encouraged, you want to be motivated rather than to be told what to do sometimes. So it depends. So I think as a director you need that empathy towards that artist, towards that talent, to understand his psychology. So maybe that helps you if you're an actor and a director.
एक अजून एक प्रश्न होता.
शेवटचा
आपण आता इतक्या भूमिकांबद्दल बोललो. दौलतराव आहे, झपाटलेला, पाणी ज्यांनी सांगितलं. मग या सगळ्या भूमिका केल्यानंतर तुम्हाला असं वाटतं की अरे यार मला आता ही भूमिका करायची, हा रोल माझा राहिलाय, मला हा करायचाच आहे, असा कुठला ड्रीम रोल किंवा असं काही आहे का?
असं माहित नाही मिळाल्यावरती कळेल मला. But I love to do challenging things. It's something that is out of my comfort zone would be a dream role for me. Always. Yeah.
आणि असं कुठला ऍक्टर आहे का की ज्याला तुम्हाला डायरेक्ट करायला की याला डायरेक्ट करायचं?
Wow. DiCaprio. Why not?
सॉरी मला आता टाइम कार्ड दाखवलं जातं सो त्यामुळे यु नो थँक्यू सो मच अविनाथ सर की तुम्ही आम्हाला हा वेळ दिला आणि ऑफकोर्स ऑडियन्स की तुम्ही आलात आणि यु नो इतका एन्थुझियास्टिकली भाग घेतलात. असेच मस्त फिल्म्स बनवत राहा, आम्हाला एंटरटेन करत राहा आणि भेटत राहा. इट वाज माय
Shefali Shah is I would love to
Yes.
and Marathitli Amrita Subhash.
Yes.
I'm really fond of her as well.
पुरुषोत्तमला सोबत केलेलं आहे कोणाला?
Oh.
आता आपण फोटो
Yeah.
खाली प्लीज
पुढे.
एवरीवन स्टे सीटेड.
इथेच बसायचं आहे?
नाही
इकडं?
या
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.